Today we got a video from Police Insider, and the title of the video is "When You're Too Drunk to Realize You Crashed into a Ditch."
This higgity hyena wrecked her car and ran like the cops were gonna chase her in wheelchairs.
She's up. Okay. She's drunk or whatever, but all these people saw it. She didn't hit anybody else. I just stopped to make sure she was like alive or whatever. She got out and took off. The car's still on. We don't want to mess with the car.
All right.
You need me to stick around?
No, man, you're good. Driver supposedly fled. We're gonna need a 1070. It's off in the ditch. Yeah, she might have ran towards BP, but I don't see it.
That's what our call is like.
Where's the driver?
She took off.
Sweet.
I just pulled out of my house. Everybody starts yelling and screaming. I can't even get it off. The column's crushed into the dash. Hey, ma'am, what's going on?
Nothing. I was walking into my house.
Where are you walking from?
I'm walking. I don't know where I'm walking from, but I'm trying to get to 4705 27th Street West.
Okay. Do you have your ID with you?
I do.
Where are you walking from, ma'am?
I'm walking from a friend's house. I'm trying to go home. I got everybody that I was with was wasn't sober enough to let me drive, so.
Okay. So you weren't driving at all, you said?
No, sir.
How'd you get blood on your shorts?
Because my fingers, I have like.
Okay.
Okay. I don't have to stay here with you guys. Like, what are you doing right now?
Well, I'm stopping you to talk to you about something.
About what?
You were seen leaving a car.
What car?
A car right over here that was wrecked.
Okay.
So we're just trying to make sure everything's okay.
Everything's fine.
Okay. You still live at this address?
Yeah.
Okay. Bailey?
Yeah?
Okay.
That's me.
All right. Can you just step up over here for me for 1 second?
I don't know if I want to.
You don't have a choice. You're being detained, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. You're being detained for the investigation of a crash. Just hang out right there, okay? Right there. Just hang out right there, ma'am. Bailey, come here. Bailey, come back here.
She took off once. You think she ain't gonna take off again?
I've told you, you're detained for a possible crash. I may.
She said, "Keep the ID. I'm out of here."
Ma'am, do you want to get bit by a police dog? Hey, Pat, it's going to be her. She's not cooperative, wanting to walk away. Ma'am, come back here. I can't hear you. Do you want your ID back?
Don't touch me. Yeah, I'd like my ID back.
Okay.
Don't touch me. Don't touch me.
You're being detained, ma'am.
Oh, I'm being detained.
Watch as the Booger Barbie attempts something vaguely resembling running.
No, that's not
Wow, she's fast.
Oh, yeah. Ma'am.
What are you doing? Gonna hit me for what? What did I do?
Come here.
Not a thing,
You're being
right?
detained.
I didn't do.
Yeah, you're going to catch a
Keep my
charge.
purse. I'm catching a charge because you put your hands on me. You're putting your
arrest.
hands on me.
You're arrested for battery.
You're putting your hands on me. You are putting your hands on me.
Okay, too. It's going to be a 99 now.
I'm gonna stay right here where you left me.
No.
Uh-oh, we got a 99.
But you just...
Find
Feet
out.
up, not sick. Stop. I'm going to put you on the ground.
Yeah, I know. You're gonna put me on the ground. Oh. What the fuck? You know what? You're gonna
Put your hand behind your back.
You're going to.
Two houses.
Get the
On my vehicle, on GPS.
I gotta be out there. Breathe.
Stop.
No.
Put your hand behind your back.
No. No. I gotta breathe.
Put your hand behind your back.
Wait a minute. Shelter? What you gonna do? I'm white. You don't bother me, bro.
Ma'am, put your hand behind your back. Once you comply and put your hand behind your back.
Breathe. I can comply.
Hey, what's the
I
address?
can't breathe.
Call 911 and tell them your
I
address,
can't
please.
fucking breathe.
If you're yelling, you're breathing. Shut up and put your hands behind your back.
You're gonna go to hell. You're going to hell. You know what? I can let you kill me. I can let you kill me. No.
West of that
I can't
child
breathe.
daycare. There's a
She
playground.
crashed into the ditch.
Malibu.
Please help me.
She's bombed.
Stop fighting with me.
I'm fighting. Please help me. Ow, ow, ow. Ow. Okay, you feel safe now. Can you please help me? Please. You feel safe now.
Stand up. Try giving her every chance to comply.
Oh, you did, did you? Okay. Good luck.
She's like jogging. I walk down here. I'm like, ma'am, just come back with me. So I grab her. I'm like, I told her back there she's detained. Yeah. She slaps me. Jeez. I just left the car. So I'm literally trying to like not like go like forward like just like. He's forced. He's bleeding. That's not from her.
I don't know what that's from. It's from earlier.
She starts telling me, she's like, I'm white. You can't do this. I literally like walked. She ran. I just walked.
Though she wasn't able to outrun her destiny, she did manage to slip her cuffs at the jail and then headbutted an officer who was trying to fix them.
Oh. Don't snatch on me, sir. I'm don't nothing to you. Stop snatching. Stop.
Stop moving.
Stop moving.
moving.
I'm already arrested. Get off me.
Stop moving.
This ad is presented by yours truly. I just want to let you know that I love you and I appreciate you for supporting this YouTube channel. I also want to let you know that for exclusive drops and early releases, go to patreon.com/ShyGotEm. That's patreon.com/ShyGotEm. The link is also in the description section. Let's get back to the video.
Stop
moving.
Me. I'm already arrested. Get
Stop
off me.
moving.
Time to get her together.
Get off me. I asked you to get off me.
Time to get her together, boy. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Damn, my boy put the knee on the ribs, boy. Oh.
Get on your stomach right now.
Taste me. I'm
Get
going to
on your
prison.
stomach right now.
I can't roll on my.
Well, your knee is on her.
You're on my stomach. How can I roll?
Roll over.
Cartridge.
Do you have the cartridge in?
Not worried
You
about
better
that.
calm the.
You're gonna get it 3 ways.
Oh, I'm gonna get it. Okay.
Give me an ankle. Give me an ankle.
You're hurting me. You're hurting me. Ow,
You
Done?
You done? All right. Then stop.
Be nice.
Hello, this is Nikki.
Hey, Nikki, how you doing? Officer Mahoney, the Braden Police Department.
Hi, how are you?
Good. So,
Oh, she got the buggy. She had to lay the bug there.
driver damaged your fence, your perimeter fence,
Okay.
and then took off running. So,
Okay.
my question to you is, I mean, there's a decent amount of damage here to 2 panels of fencing. If I can charge her with the hit and run, are you willing to press charges against her for that?
Sure.
Okay. Can I get...
My hand's caught right here. All right, your wife's gonna have to live with you for the rest of your life.
Make sure they're locked.
That one's.
Is your cuffs or mine still pat? Those are yours.
Where's the lock?
And tough guys.
Officers also arranged for a DNA swab to ascertain that the female was driving the vehicle at the time of the crash.
Thank you. What's the point? Can I sit up?
Camera.
Yep.
1, 2, 3.
Put her back in.
Come on.
Make sure the seatbelt's go tight. Yeah.
You good? What are you trying to do? I can't move.
She kicked. Either her or her. Who'd she kick? Yeah.
I have no clue.
Now, one thing that I'm surprised that officer did when they was getting up, he fixed her shirt. We may not think that, may not think anything of it, right? Good guy, fix your shirt or whatever. But a lot of cops would stay away from that and not even touch her just because people could say, oh, whatever. They feel offended or they, he touched me inappropriately or anything like that. Like that quick little can spiral into a bigger situation. There was a video that I did a while back, and a guy arrested a girl, and she, I think her skirt was up a little bit, or maybe her chest was that, whatever it was, and she needed to adjust herself, and the cop was like, no, when you get inside, I'm gonna take the cuffs off and you can adjust yourself, whatever, but I'm not touching you. And a lot of officers think like that, and they're not wrong, because you got the body cam, whatever, but we just tussled with you. I'm not touching any of your your body part, your private parts or anything like that. You know what I'm saying? So that way things can't be misconstrued or anything. I was trying to do whatever. That's why I paused it, because I seen that and I'm like, it's not a big deal, but it could turn into a big deal.
My camera's in the truck.
Camera's on.
Running? Yeah, I kicked it on because I saw her flip the cups around, so I tried to pull her out. And then she didn't want to come out.
You're gonna die.
The 41-year-old female was charged with 2 counts of battery on law enforcement officer, hit and run with property damage and obstruction. Another potty princess got sloshed at her friend's birthday party, crashed into a couple trying to help her, and then fled on her wobbly heels.
You going home?
I live right around here.
Okay. Where's home?
Yeah. I live.
Careful. Come on over here. I don't want you to fall over.
Mara?
Yeah.
Hi. You got anything on you?
Yeah.
Anything's poke me, hurt me, stab me?
Oh, got a female officer. It's lit.
Why?
Because you're walking away from crashes while you're DUI.
Just put your hands together just like this, okay?
She gonna get you together.
Let me out right now. Let me out.
Do we have a cruiser nearby that we can seek her
Let
in?
me out.
Is that your cruiser? Let's put her in your cruiser
Let me out.
so that we're not dealing with this. All right, Mara, you're gonna have a little seat, darling.
Cones?
Let me out.
It is open. You good with the cones staying there? Yeah, I think it is.
No.
Mara, we're gonna have a little seat in the cruiser.
My fault. Let me out.
Have a seat.
No.
You're gonna have a little.
No.
Have a little seat.
It's very comfortable.
It's very comfortable.
A couple of minutes to relax.
No.
You sitting on hard plastic.
Yep, in the cruiser.
Let me out. Let me out. Let me out. I will bust down this stupid.
She just needs a nap, man.
You know it. You get me out of the door. Open that stupid door.
That's an absolute no-no.
I don't give a fuck. Get me out of the door. No. Get me out of the door. No. Get me off. Get off of me. Do not pepper spray me. Get off of me. Get off of me. Stop.
Stay inside.
No. I'm gonna get it. Do not pepper spray.
You're gonna get pepper sprayed. You kicked my window out.
Are you kidding me? Yeah.
Hey, little mama.
No, stop.
They're gonna have to restrain your legs if you keep it up.
Stop.
Stop kicking.
Let me out of this door right now.
They're gonna have to restrain your legs because you keep trying to kick out the
Take those
window.
out.
Huh?
Give
You
me
can take- I'll take the
5
truck.
seconds. Give me 5.
Sorry.
Babe, where are you? Please. David, please. Stop.
Stop.
Mara. Okay. All right. Now your legs are restrained because you kept kicking the window. You've got to relax.
What a trip, man.
Come on now.
The female was charged with leaving scene of crash, DUI, with property damage, resisting officer without violence, and resisting officer with violence. YouTube thinks you'll love
What was that? Come on. Come on. Y'all didn't have to throw that last little case in there. If come on, man. That's the footage? Now that's crazy, man. I get it, got a little eye candy or something, but man, that's come on. Y'all ain't have to throw that footage in there, man. That was a complete waste of time. You don't even see nothing for real. But anyway, back to the first case, man. It seemed like those police officers, they got a fitness requirement, and that mug, all of them officers was, I was like, God damn, what the hell? Because sometimes you don't see that, you know what I'm saying? In law enforcement, you got some guys, that's definitely in shape, but yeah, a lot of guys that's not, and that's just the nature of the beast. And you would especially think police officers would be, just because criminals can run on them and stuff like that, and you're gonna have to be in a foot pursuit. You know what I mean? Like, it's just different. But yeah, so I give the officers, and well, the second one, we ain't even counting that, because that was nothing. But the first one, I'm gonna give them a 4 out of 5. They actually did a pretty good job, and got her together, especially being able to not go overboard when she headbutted the dude in the face, because a lot of times when people get physical, especially something like that, we're human. So like, you would snap and like, start tuning them up a little bit. You know what I'm saying? So it's good that they was actually able to hold their composure. You could tell they did get a little aggravated, the intensity picked up a little bit, but it wasn't anything that was like way out of bounds, so good job for that. Let me know in the comment section how well you think the officers did, and I'm gonna catch you in the next video.